Okay, this is going to be kind of an addendum video. On my oil pump assembly video before, someone pointed out that I assembled the vanes wrong. And apparently I mixed up rotation while I was doing it. I went back through the video and looked it up. And yes, I put them in backwards. So we'll take a look here, switch them around. Here's what I'm hoping. I'm hoping this gasket stays in good shape, because I did use a little bit of sealant on here. If it does not, I guess I'm ordering another gasket. Oh, came off pretty easy, I think. Yeah, that's not bad. Okay. So here's the deal. I don't want those to pop all the way out yet. So looking at this rotor and these blades, with the flat side of the rotor on the left side, on the top blade, the taper should face you. So let's take a look. If I have mine, same way. They are indeed in backwards. These need to face that way. No, I'll just do this the easy way. Push the rotor all the way out. Squeeze it and set it in. Okay. Verifying with the picture. That is the correct way. Actually, that gasket looks fine, so I think we're going to go with it. Actually, the copper coat I used on that gasket feels like it might still be a tad tacky too, so I think we'll be fine here. So hopefully next time you see this pump, we'll be installing it on the engine.